So our question today is find middle element in a linked list. Given the head of the linked list of integers, determine the middle node of the linked list. However, if the linked list has an even number of nodes, return the second middle node. So let's say if we have odd number of nodes, then this is the middle, which is n by 2 upper C. And let's say if we have even number of nodes, we have to return the second middle node. That is going to be this, which is n by 2 upper C plus 1. So what we can do is the brute force solution basically, which is coming to my mind is you can iterate through the whole linked list. Like you iterate and then you find the n and the another one, then you find if it is odd number, then do this. If it is even, then you do this. And iterate again and stop at that position. So let's say if we have a 4, we iterate through the second one and we found the count that 4 by 2 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So like 1, 2, 3, and we stop here and we return this now. But here, if you see, we need to do and go through 2 iterations at a time. So why not we find some solution where we have to just do 1 iteration and we return the answer. Because when n is too long, like, then it's gonna take uh, like the time complexity be more. So for 1 iteration, what you can do is, let's say we have a linked list where we have 5 nodes. We can have 2 pointers, one is small, one is L. L is going to jump the next pointer by 2 times and small is going to jump the next pointer by 1 time. So S of next is S, and as L has to jump 2 points, L is going to be here. So what I'll do is 1 S1, S2, L1, L2. Now S will jump again 1, S3, it's gonna be L3. Now as L3 has reached the last, so we'll return S3. And yes, in this case, this should have been the actual answer. So let's say if the total nodes were 6, what would we have done is we would have incremented once more S4, and L4 would have pointed to the null PTR. And then during if L pointer reached null or the last node, we would have returned the small pointer, and in this case, it would be the second middle node, that is S4. So yes, this is we've completed the question. Thank you everyone.